What's going on, guys? It's your boy Jerry at J&A Motorsports and Trucking. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode here with us. This video is basically going to be installing some chrome door handle covers on my Kenworth T680. We've had these door handles for quite some time now. And haven't really had the time or the chance to put them on. So I figured today's the day. Got a couple hours to play with before I gotta lay it down because I gotta go out tonight. But yeah, guys, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. There's no screwdriver needed, nothing. The only thing that the wife says she read that you could use with it is some RV glue, whatever that is, but I didn't use that. We found some double-sided Gorilla Tape. It works really well. We've been using it for some time now for different little projects here and there, and it's super durable. So going to be using that instead to install the door handles. But like I said earlier, it's a pretty straightforward thing, pretty simple. It comes with double-sided tape already on it, and instructions say to use RV glue to reinforce it, but like I said, we got the Gorilla Glue double-sided tape, so we use that, and it should be all right. So yeah, guys, hopefully this will help one of you out there, or maybe inspire one of you out there. Maybe somebody out there owns a T680 and kind of thinking about getting these door handles. I definitely think it's gonna look good. It's gonna make a difference. Sometimes it's the little things, boys. Remember that. So stay tuned, boys. I'll give you an update when we're ready to get this done. Be right back. Here's the new door handle covers. Kenworth T680. That's all it is, guys, right here. It's just a cover. Comes with the double-sided 3M double-sided tape. So got a T680 Kenworth. These are the chrome door handle covers for it. Nothing to it. Not much to it. Really lightweight. Alright, guys, so we're gonna wipe this down with just some regular old alcohol. So from the alcohol. It's crazy, right? Making sure I get everything real good. Wipe down like so. And then the wifey's just taking the piece of plastic off to the other side of the double side. And instructions said to use RV glue, boys and girls, but we had some extra double-sided Gorilla Tape in the house, so we cut little strips, as y'all can see, and just put some extra on there, so we ain't got no problem with them popping off. I don't think we're gonna have a problem with it anyway. This is a view of before, so you know what it looks like after, boys. So you could be the judge on if it's worth it or not. Can't tell you how much I paid for them because I don't remember. We've had them for a while. They've just been sitting downstairs in the downstairs part of the house. Yeah. All right, boys, so like I showed y'all earlier, it's double-sided up. That's all it is to it. So let's just try to keep it straight. We're good. Just gonna apply pressure. There it is after, boys. So, chrome down door handle, chromed out. Then when we get our lights right here, we have a chrome strip with lights on both sides. Cleaning up, it's cleaning up. I like them. All right, so there you have it, guys. You see it, super simple, just like putting a sticker on. So we put the extra tape on there since we weren't using the RV glue. You could probably get away with just using the double-sided tape that it come with, the 3M. But to me, you know, a little more ain't gonna hurt nothing, a little more securement. So that's why we went with the Gorilla Tape. But definitely like the way it looks. It did for sure clean up the look of the door itself. We've got a little bit of chrome already on Max, so the more chrome, the better it's gonna look. And those little things like that really make a difference. I'm really happy with the way those covers turned out, guys. And definitely you're gonna wanna stay tuned for the next project that's going to be dropping real soon, guys. It's nice weather out. Sometimes it's too damn hot, but it's good weather to get these projects done. And we've got one after another, you know. And if it's not with the trucking, it's with the Hondas. And if it's not with the Hondas, it's housework. I mean, it's never ending. I still got to pressure wash my house for this summer, so you know. That's going to be another video on the channel. So we do a little bit of everything here. You know, everything's kind of scattered out on my channel. I don't have it, you know, organized trucking with trucking and Honda. You know, maybe we'll get to that in the future. But right now, we're just trying to keep putting the content out there and just keep things rolling. Because we are almost at 1,300 subscribers. Praise the Lord. And thanks to all you, each and every single one of you guys. We wouldn't be where we at if it wasn't for all of y'all, so appreciate you all. But yeah, guys, so the next video, like I said, you're gonna wanna stay tuned, be tapped in on the channel, because the next video is gonna be coming. It's gonna be me and the wife putting the lights that go up under the mirror. Where I painted the orange fairing, there's gonna be a chrome bar of lights. Let me see, I might have it here. But yeah, guys, like I was saying, it's gonna be this bar. It's a chrome bar. It's got lights in it. You're gonna be seeing me and the wife install these on Max, our semi truck. So this will go up under the mirror, and it's gonna light the shit out of the truck. It's gonna light it up. So anyways, guys, there's no videos out for this. So I'm kind of keeping this you know, I was gonna throw that in on this video here, but I told the wife I decided to keep this all by itself because we had to go through here and we had to put ends. We had to put ends on the lights. They didn't come with those. We heat shrink them and everything. And then the wife designed a harness for these, and you know, and she did a hell of a job, guys. I was super proud of her and thankful for her. But she come up with it all by herself, and we went off of her blueprint basically. I just took the orders and did the heat shrinking and, you know, crimping these ends on it and everything like that. But it was her blueprint, her design, like I said. So and it turned out really nice. I think it's going to be a success, definitely. So, but yeah, that'll be on its own video. And so yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned if you're with me for the trucking, or if you're just with me just as a loyal supporter. God bless you. Love you all. Stay tuned. We got a lot of videos dropping, boys. I love you all. God bless you all. And until the next one, which is coming real soon, we out.